Family Constellations is a powerful, experiential alternative to counseling, coaching, and longer term psychotherapies that works with you as part of your family system. Systemically, most adults often don't see the need to look at a problem they have from a systemic point of view. However, many people who come to see me have frequently already tried many of the existing approaches, looking at you as an isolated being, often long term, who still have their problem, where the focus was on your beliefs, feelings, goals, and your story. Problems still there. Family constellations or systemic family constellations is a powerful, alternative, holistic way of looking at you and where you come from to see what you carry from that system subconsciously that may be holding you back to help you become freer, that's brief and solution focused, ideal for relationships, family, separation, parenting, work or business, as well as depression, anxiety, generational trauma, sexual abuse or sabotage patterns, and also wellness issues. I'm Yildiz Sethi and have been working in this constellation field since 2005, holding workshops, private sessions, and professional trainings. I come from a science teaching background and have a master's in counseling and also a diploma in hypnotherapy. And I'm also the founder of Emotional Mind Integration, Rapid Core Healing, and PTIT Trauma Recovery, and an author with a wealth of knowledge and experience in working with people like you. I've been in private practice since the year 2000. Private sessions may be in person in Tamboran Mountain, Queensland, or online, and they are both equally as effective. And training is fully online and so available to everyone. Family Constellations workshops are available as an alternative, and all you need to do is go to the workshop button. And if you're interested in professional training, go to the training section. Let me know if you have any questions, and maybe I'll see you soon.